This is Paver Pete, Education Director for TechoBlock and NCMA Certified Instructor. That's the National Concrete Masonry Association. They're the governing body for segmental retaining walls, our topic. We're going to be looking at segmental retaining walls from two perspectives. Number one, cut versus fill. Number two, gravity versus soil stabilized. We'll be looking at layout of the project, making sure all utilities are located, proper grading plans so our excavation is done properly, classifying, amending, and compacting the soil subgrade, the use of a geotextile fabric in our trench in two of the three base applications. We'll be looking at those two base applications being dense grade or open graded stone, and when they're applicable, the third being unreinforced concrete. Then we'll look at what type of drainage system we're going to put behind the wall in terms of a pipe and an exfiltration system. A pipe leading out through the face or dead ending either side of the wall. Maximum run of 50 feet. We'll cover that specification in great detail. We'll look at the stacking of the block. First course going in, level side to side, slight pitch back in a structural application, and every course going in without adhesive. That's very important. We'll look at backfilling every 8 inches with 3/4 inch clean stone, typically called ASTM number 57s. The depth of that stone will be 3 feet. That's beyond industry standard, and there are reasons for doing that. We'll cover those in great detail. As we build our courses a block up, we may need to install some geogrid. This is a uniaxial geogrid, strength in one direction, perpendicular to the face. We'll cover all the specifications, the type, depth, and placement of the grid, the type being how strong it's going to be, the placement being typically every other course, but maybe more, and the depth, minimum 4 feet, but again, an engineer will tell us if it needs to be more than that. And as our wall goes up, we'll eventually glue down our cap, and how we handle the toe, the positive pitch away from the toe of the wall, and at the top of the wall, positive pitch away from the top, or a swale. We never want water running towards a retaining wall. We'll also be taking questions on aesthetic features of the landscape using retaining wall block, like fire pits, elevated water features, planting features, sitting walls, grill islands, those types of things. But we'll concentrate on structural retaining walls, or what we like to call segmental retaining walls. Hope to see you there.